Cheers, love you so much. Hello, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video I thought I would do, I was feeling romantical. I thought I would make a nice little dinner for Lawrence and I. Normally Lawrence is the main cook in this house. He's really good at it and he really enjoys it. And I thought I'll make a nice dish from a few new things that I have found recently in Aldi. It's also a recipe I really wanted to share with you guys because it's really unbelievably delicious. It's really, really easy to make and something I think everyone can make. So I'm gonna make a nice romantic dinner. All the recipes will be on my website. I do a lot of affordable eating recipes. Before I tell you what I'm going to be making, I hope you're all doing really well as you can be. It's actually 11 degrees today outside on my daily walk. It was amazing. I wore a thin little like windbreaker type coat. Didn't need a hat, didn't need gloves. It was lovely. The sun was out and I saw some flowers growing, which was fantastic. I've got daffodils all over the house. So I don't know, I'm just so ready for some natural vitamin D, some lighter days. I've been struggling through this dark winter period, especially through COVID. So yeah, that has lifted my spirits. I hope you're all doing well. What's the best thing about your weeks this week? If this is the first video you're watching, my name's Sophie. I make 3 videos every single week all about living your best life on a budget and also pregnancy. So if you want to follow along and watch more videos like this, feel free to subscribe. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because it really helps my channel out. And let's go! Tonight's dinner I am making a vegan meatball pasta dish. Now the only thing that's vegan in this, or specifically vegan, is the vegan meatballs. So you can actually just swap these out for normal meatballs if vegan meatballs aren't your thing. But Lawrence is a meat eater. We both eat generally the same diet, but Lawrence loves normal meatball dishes. But even he really enjoys this vegan meatball dish we make, like really enjoys it. I'm making it a little bit different this week because I've got some new ingredients. So first of all, look at this. So this is new in Aldi. I spotted it at the weekend. A box of no meat meatballs. I've got high hopes. My favourite vegan meatballs are normally from Iceland. Iceland vegan meatballs are so good with this dish that I'm going to be making today. So do try those out as well. But these look fantastic. I want to know how many's in there. We will count them when we cook them. I think what I'm going to do is cook the whole box and cook enough pasta for dinner tonight and also lunch tomorrow. That's what we normally do if we do a pasta dish. Saves money and time. But I just think these look really good. I'll show you the ingredients, but essentially onion, chickpeas, soya protein, pepper, white pepper, onion powder, basil, oregano. So yeah, I'm really excited to try them because they're new and it's really hard for me to get to Iceland. In fact, I haven't been to Iceland in a year since COVID started, I don't think. Yeah, now I know Aldi sell them. Let's hope they're really, really delicious. And then we've got some pasta. We've tried this once before last week and I've already bought more because I can't tell you how good this pasta is from Aldi. They're specially selected, limited edition. It's basically like tortellini, so they're stuffed fresh pasta. I've got Lawrence this one, which is the Andouja and burrata mezzolini. Now, this is what the pack holds. It doesn't look like a lot. Last week we cooked a whole packet each. And let me tell you, only just about half was eaten. They're very, very filling, so you can just cook 1/2 per person and trust me, that will fill you up. But I don't eat Andouja because that's a sausage, I think, so I don't eat that, but he really rates this. He says it's really nice. So we're gonna have this pasta with the meatballs, and then I'm going to have sun-dried tomato and mozzarella mezzolini. And it's basically fresh, free-range egg pastas. This is so good. Now what you can do, Aldi does have little pots of like mascarpone tomato sauces with it, or there's like another cheesy type sauce in a pot. So you can just buy this and the pot of sauce And that could be like a really easy dinner. Maybe grate some cheese in there. It could be really easy. Or you can make a nice pasta sauce from scratch, which is what I'm going to do today, because I do actually find it saves me more money to make it from scratch, but it's also a little bit more, I don't know, delicious. I don't know. So either one will work. But yeah, let's start making it. I'm making the sauce a couple of hours before actually eating, because it's nice when the sauce sits and all gets all tasty. Okay, I have my ingredients here. So we have 1 box of meatballs, 2 boxes of pasta. This is going to feed 2 grown adults tonight and 2 grown adults tomorrow for lunch. Some balsamic vinegar, a garlic, which we'll use about 2 or 3 cloves of, 1 beef stock, some tomato puree, tomato passata, 2 onions, and also some herbs. So smoked paprika, we're going to be using, and we'll get that out now. Mixed herbs, where are they? Mixed herbs. Oh, that's basically an empty pot. There we go. There we go. Found another one. And yeah, you can maybe add some garlic granules. I don't know. The good thing about this kind of thing is you can make it how I make it now and then add more or less of what you like. Okay, obviously everything's going to be written down below for you to be able to refer back to, and it will be on my website, which is also linked down below. But essentially the first thing I'm going to do is actually fry the meatballs, and I'm going to fry them really, really, really well until essentially they're just fully cooked. I want to like kind of crisp up, brown up the outside just so they don't go mushy when you start making the sauce. So we're going to do the meatballs for a while, which I'm excited about because I really want to know how many's in there and what they look like. I'm going to get my pan. You want like a nice big wok style pan. Oh, my tummy. Okay. So there's quite a few in there. I would say that is more than Iceland. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 19. Bit random to have an odd number, won't lie. But they look okay. They kind of look like falafels. Let's get them in the pan. Kind of look like a mixture between a Scotch egg and falafel at the moment. They smell herby though, which is a good sign because we want them to have a bit of flavour, don't we? I'm going to pan fry these for a bit, and meanwhile I'm going to chop up my garlic and onion. Okay, so far they're actually smelling really nice. I'd say even better than ones that we've had before. So they've been frying for about 7 to 10 minutes, which is fine. They are getting really brown on the outside and they're not falling apart. So far so good, Aldi. I've chopped up my onion and garlic, so I'm going to throw that in a second and fry that all together for a while, and then we'll make the sauce. So that's all the ingredients in, all of the herbs, the balsamic vinegar, the meatballs, and the tinned tomatoes or tomato passata. I've also added a beef stock cube that gives the sauce like a real nice richness. Sounds weird, but it does work. So now I know that beef stock cube has completely disintegrated because I just kept stirring until the beef stock cube disappeared. I'm going to turn the pan down to 1, so it's on very, very low heat, and I'm going to leave for about an hour, and then we're going to make the pasta, which is a really quick thing, and mix them together. How exciting, and get dinner on the go. I have to say, like Lawrence even just came down to say, the meatballs smell really good. They actually smell delicious, so I'm really looking forward to this. Oh, also, don't wear white when you're making this dish. Big mistake, Sophie. Big mistake. Okay, this is what it's looking like after about 45 minutes, an hour, I would say. It smells good, doesn't it? Lawrence is here now.
It smells unbelievable. I was smelling it upstairs and I kept on having to come down. It's been really difficult not having a taster.
Lawrence has just grated some parmesan. Now we're going to put in the pasta. So we've got water boiling there, and we're going to throw. Oh, we need 2 separate things, don't we?
Well, they take 2 minutes each.
Oh,
so
okay.
Before I just do them in the same pan.
Oh, right, one at a time.
Yeah.
Okay, so we do it one at a time, and then we'll mix the meatballs and sauce separately, just so like it doesn't mix in together. But yeah, I'm gonna get the pasta on the go now.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane, and as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin.
I made us a romantic dinner.
Thank you.
It's nice to give back every now and then.
Well, it's very much appreciated.
That's okay. So it smells good, doesn't it?
It does. It smells really good.
Whilst we're at it, we thought we would do a this company sent me some 0 alcohol champagne, which I'm really excited about. The company's called Villarnau. Would you pronounce that Villarnau?
Yeah, Villarnau.
Villarnau. I'll put their Instagram for you down below, so you can go follow them. If you're pregnant as well, or if you don't drink alcohol, this might be like a really nice alternative. I've not actually tasted it. I feel really lucky that they've sent me 2 bottles.
I know.
It's really nice, isn't it?
Yeah, really kind.
Really kind. It's organic.
Yeah, it's going to be a little bit like Carver, because Carver's Spanish.
Spanish, yeah.
So,
Barcelona. Yeah, I just think it looks fantastic. It looks really nice.
Yeah.
I put the pink one in the fridge because that's the one I fancied.
Go on then.
Shall I open it?
Yeah.
I'm actually quite good at opening fizzies.
Oh, let's have a look, shall we?
Let's do the taste test. I've been looking at this since Friday, like 3 days now. I didn't think I would, but I do miss like a glass of wine.
Yeah.
And bubbly. I didn't drink it. Oh, bloody hell. I just spilled tomato sauce everywhere. Right, ready?
Yeah. Pointing it in my direction. Everything. It's like knife. What's going on here? Oh, blimey.
Whoa, that's like a proper bottle of champagne.
Yeah, that did go pop.
Wow, it smells like it's got raspberries or something in.
Okay, let's give it a go.
De-alkalized organic wine, organic grape concentrate. Wow, it smells good. Do you want to pour?
Okay.
Fizzy.
That's nice.
Yeah. Nice to treat yourself from time to time. Especially when we're in lockdown.
Yeah.
It's nice to make the effort. Whoa, it's really bubbly.
Yeah.
There was Fairy Up liquid in this. Did you wash it out?
Yeah, I did, but I don't think I did very well.
Those bubbles look a bit Fairy Up liquid, don't they?
Let's try again.
Let's try again.
That's better.
Yeah. Wow.
Okay. Cheers.
Cheers. Love you so much.
Cheers, love you so much. That's a really pleasant, refreshing drink.
That is.
Very fruity. Nice.
Very fruity and tangy. Not like too sweet. I really like that.
Yeah.
And it actually does taste champagne-y.
Yeah, it does. That's probably, it's pretty close, isn't it?
It's really close. I really enjoy that. Gosh, how summery as well. Oh, I can't wait for summer. Oh, Look
Yummy.
at that. Also, I thought the pink one would like complement a red based dish.
Yeah.
Put a bit of Parmesan on. Let's give this a go. Let's try a bit of a meatball, like kind of on its own.
Okay, yeah.
Really nice. It's got a tough texture, hasn't it?
Yeah.
It's not all like falling apart. Oh, it's really tough.
Yeah. Smells good.
I think that's really nice.
That's really good.
I think that's probably the nicest vegan meatball we've had.
It's definitely...
Do you prefer it to Iceland?
Not had Iceland for such a long time. But I don't think I'd be able to tell the difference. And arguably...
Between this and a meat one?
No, between this and the
Oh.
Iceland one. These are holding their shape very well. And I like that. Like, there's something a bit disappointing when you have meatballs and they're a bit crumbly. No time for
They
that.
have a really nice flavour. Often when we make the meatballs with this sauce, it's the sauce that makes the dish. And I still think it is in this case. But I can still taste the herbs in the meatball. In the vegan meatballs. Can you? And how good is this pasta, honestly? If you get anything as well, get this pasta.
Oh, there's like, yeah. If you like a bit of spicy and you don't mind meat, I'd really recommend the Induja ones.
Delicious. How do you keep it fizzy? Why do people put spoons on the top?
I'm sure I watched this thing and they actually proved that it did do something. Although you can't really imagine why or how. It's not blocking it.
There is also lots of leftover meatballs in the saucepan. We put all the pasta on our plates just so we can keep them separate, but we won't eat it all.
No.
Although we're really hungry and we're looking at it thinking, I definitely will. You get to halfway and you're like, whoa, I'm full.
Yeah, stuffed pasta does that.
It does that, tricks you, but it's so good. So the pasta fills are £1.69 each. So you have half a pack per person.
Yep.
Vegan meatballs are £1.19, which you couldn't believe. Such a good price, isn't it? For quite a big box.
I know. That's unbelievable.
Yeah.
When you consider, now we were talking about the Iceland ones, which were probably our favourite, and they were about £2 for a
£2.
smaller bag. Yeah, I think you're getting double the amount here for like just over half the price.
Why we love Aldi.
And that's the thing, you know, whenever you go to a place and you find something in another shop that you think is really good, if Aldi don't have it already,
Yeah.
you know it's coming.
Yeah, they're going to. You know, I feel like as lockdown has gone on, a lot of our joy is coming from food because there's not much joy elsewhere.
Yeah, definitely.
So a lot of our joy comes from what we're eating, what we're making, and it's really nice to change it up.
You know, trying something new, trying something different.
Yeah, and just making a little bit of an effort. If you do make this dish, you have to let us know. Trust me, you won't regret it. It's really delicious. Anyway, before I keep stuffing my face, because I'm really hungry, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. If there's anything in particular you want us to try out or recipes to show from Aldi, Lidl or elsewhere, do let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, love you very much and we'll see you again really soon. Bye!